Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make unlimited public channels in Telegram. Open Telegram, tap New Channel, choose a public username, and set channel details. Repeat to create more channels with distinct names. Use clear branding and unique handles to avoid conflicts and stay within Telegram policies. Keep channels focused on specific topics to attract and retain subscribers and to make moderation simpler. Start by opening Telegram and selecting New Channel, then choose Public as the visibility option and claim a unique username for each channel. Fill the description and add a pinned message to clarify rules and content focus right away. Invite initial members via links or contacts, post consistent content schedules, and use hashtags or cross-promotion to grow each channel organically and avoid clutter. Organize your workflow by assigning admins and defining roles for content, moderation, and growth tasks to scale multiple channels efficiently. Leverage scheduling tools or bots to queue posts so channels stay active even when you are busy. Regularly review view stats and audience comments to adjust topics and posting times, and archive or merge channels that no longer perform to keep your network effective and focused.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.